What's up guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show you all the Hammer Strength Select Row machine with a supinated or underhand grip. Two different adjustments to be made on this machine. The seat raises up and down according to your height and according to which row you're performing. And then also the whole complex shifts forward or straight up and down depending on what row you're doing as well. For the underhand row, I have the complex shifted slightly forward. It's on the number 8 pin. And then the seat is high enough to where you can really keep your traps down and back and get a good low row on the exercise. When performing this exercise, you want to keep your elbows in right behind your wrist or even slightly in a little bit more. This helps get a great contraction on the lats. And whenever we're rowing down and back. As you pull your chest up a little bit to really keep everything depressed. I'll go ahead and do a couple reps here to show you. Really drive your elbows back with some power and then use control to let the machine pull you back forward and get a little bit of a stretch on the back, and then again, drive back. This is going to be the Hammer Strength Select Row machine.